Welcome to Al Najda Street, a vibrant artery in the heart of Abu Dhabi city. As we embark on this driving tour, let's soak in the charm of this bustling thoroughfare, where tradition meets modernity. Look around as we cruise past a delightful mix of shops, cafes, and impressive architecture, all wrapped in the warm embrace of the Arabian sun. Notice how the street comes alive with the energy of locals and tourists alike. This is where the past coexists with the present. You'll see traditional markets alongside sleek contemporary buildings. It's a perfect representation of the cultural fusion that defines Abu Dhabi. As we drive, keep an eye out for the iconic landmarks that punctuate the skyline. From luxurious hotels to art galleries, Al Najda Street offers a glimpse into the city's sophisticated lifestyle. And let's not forget the culinary scene. Delicious aromas waft from restaurants serving everything from local Emirati cuisine to international dishes. Now let's turn our attention to the people. The lively crowd reflects the rich tapestry of cultures that call Abu Dhabi home. Each face tells a story of adventure and exploration, adding to the street's unique character. As we approach the end of our tour, take a moment to appreciate Al Najda Street not just as a route, but as a journey through the essence of Abu Dhabi. Remember, every corner holds a new experience waiting to unfold. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of one of the city's most iconic streets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing city tours.